I am making this video to show you how to use our Learning Center with all the necessary instructions for the devices. So the first part is the introduction, where you can find general information about bioresonance testing, therapy, reviews, check all our devices types and in which case you need to use which device, and to check the demo of the software. The second part is instructions for people who already have our devices. It is divided on instructions depending on the device you have, but the majority of functions that you will need, you will be able to find here in Web Wellness instructions, because the devices have just a few buttons, but the majority of the functions is basically are available from the software. First thing is the beginner guide. You get it in the link for the clients with all the instructions. For people who have normally the whole Web Wellness Clinic, which is Web Wellness Life Balance Therapy device and Life Expert Series testing device. This is a beginner guide where you will be able to find the link to download the software and all the other instructions. We recommend you first of all to learn all these basic functions before you start learning deeper how to use our devices and our software. The second part is subscription, as well demo version and overview of the Web Wellness features. Other instructions are divided depending on if you have Life Expert device for testing or Life Balance device for therapy. Here you will find instructions on specific sections of the menu of the software. If you want to see instructions for Life Balance or Life Balance Contact or Life Beauty device, you just click on the link, and here you will find all the necessary things to start with, how to work with the programs, using the devices. Basically, these are the common questions of our clients. You will find the answers here, but as I told you before, the majority of the instructions are about the software and will be found in Web Wellness instructions section. Also, you have the whole set of instructions from the manufacturer about all the functions of this device and other devices as well of Life Balance series or Life Beauty device. It is very important to take a look on the instructions from the manufacturer in this case. So I hope that now you understand how to work with our Learning Center. It is very easy and intuitive. Please start with the beginner guide. Also, you will find here other interesting things to use. And the last section is for purchasing Web Wellness devices, the warranty, delivery and return policy, customer support we provide, what to do if you bought the devices from other distributor, referral bonus program, and how to become our partner, and the links to our blog. So please enjoy the instructions, and we hope that everything will be easy for you and you will manage to use our devices easy, fast, and will get the best results for yourself and your family and your clients. Thank you so much.